Hello and welcome to What the Huck with me, Huck Kircher. I'm with People's Mortgage in Gilbert, Arizona. Today, what I want to talk about with you is just the process, the beginning process of getting underwritten for your loan. A lot of people have a lot of questions about it. With a lot of the changes that have gone on in the industry because of 2007 and 2008, we went from stated income, stated everything types of loans to trust but verify. So it's made everyone's lives a lot more exciting, and it means requesting a lot more information than we've done in the last several years. So I just warn clients with that up front. We start off with getting basic information: legal name, date of birth, addresses you lived at in the last few years, where you're employed, social security numbers to pull credit, those kinds of things. Basic pieces of information to put a basic application skeleton of that together, and be able to pull credit and see, one, where we're at, help with pricing things out accurately for you, and seeing if there's anything there that is reporting incorrectly and walking you through a process to get that corrected. So we want to do that obviously upfront and as early as possible, so that we can give you accurate information. We don't want to start off with oftentimes taking information from a client, not because we don't trust them, but because they don't always know if a creditor is reporting something inaccurately, if they've had some kind of identity theft, something else that has gone on there that we need to address. So you want to start that as early in the process as possible. In addition to that, one of the first steps that you'll take with your realtor is getting a pre-qualification letter. And with that, there are boxes on there that get checked regarding myself as the lender. We've seen pay stubs, we've seen W-2s, we've seen bank statements, we've seen any documentation on assets that are going to be used for a down payment. And so we gather those things up front to, again, be able to give accurate information both to your realtor, to the seller, and to yourself on your loan, that we can proceed. And we don't want to base it on a client's information. Again, not because we don't believe what you say, but because sometimes things get excluded, get calculated differently. If you have 401k loan, that'll show on a pay stub. If you have on your tax returns 2106 expenses that need to be deducted from the income, we can calculate things correctly up front and not make assumptions. Not that anyone's trying to give us inaccurate information, but it does give us the most accurate information, and be able to give you a pre-qualification letter up front that we can say, yes, I have seen these documents, yes, I have verified it. Put yourself in the shoes of a seller. If you were selling your house and the realtor came and one pre-qualification letter did not have these things checked off, and one of them did, which one would you prefer to take? The one that's already been documented, they've gotten into the weeds and they've taken a look at things. In addition to that, the reason why we ask for those things is, again, to avoid any surprises further down the road. If there's something there, we either want to know that up front to let you know that it's not something that we're going to be able to do, or we want to let you know, hey, this is a potential hurdle and we need to work on addressing it, and we want to have the time while we're going through the process of getting the loan underwritten to have you address any of those issues that need to be addressed. So that is, in a nutshell, what we do when we are doing pre-qualifications and why we ask for the information we ask for up front. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me through any of the ways here on YouTube, as well as you can reach out to me through email at hkircher@peoplesmortgage.com. That's HKIRCHER at peoples, PEOPLES, mortgage.com. Or on my cell, you can reach me, 602-432-8609. Thank you for a couple minutes of your time, and have a great day. Bye-bye.